Wonderful good morning to all of you. I hope you had a good start in this week. And today we are making breakfast, and this is banana fritters. Yeah, banana fritters we eat in Jamaica for breakfast, but also sometimes for dessert. So in my bowl here, I have two bananas, and this is the third banana, and this is how the banana is supposed to look. That is the right con, what do you call it? That is how it's supposed to look. I'm sorry. So I bought this banana, but let them stay like for a week, and then they are like this, and that's how they're supposed to be. Then they are perfect. Now let me just get rid of my garbage here, and then I'll be right back. And there I am. So I'm going to wash my hands, and then we could get started. And I need a fork. Let me get my fork. Yeah. So now let me just switch the camera a bit. Yeah. And a spoon. Now we are going to use the fork, and we are going to crush the banana. While crushing, we are going to add flour. So I'm going to add flour very soon. Yeah. So this is how you crush it out. You see? It should be overripe. That's the word I was looking for before, or that sentence. Overripe bananas. I'm putting 1 tablespoon, and you just do this step by step. Not all flour at the same time, but each time you put a spoon inside it, you would mix them all together. And then on my stove, I already have a pot with oil. It's being heated up at the moment. Put some more up. You see how the banana and the flour combines? Yes. And because these bananas are overripe, they are really sweet. So you don't even need to add any sugar into this. Spoon again. And this is how I'm going to do it until I get the right consistency of this dough. You can also make it faster if you don't have the time to do this. You could just also use your hand mixer. Yeah, hand mixer, and then it will go faster. But in Jamaica, when my grandma was teaching me how to make banana fritters, or my mom, we did not have any hand mixer at that time. Now you know how old I am. Well, but I guess for now, they're all supposed to have a hand mixer. Yeah. But we did have a blender. Yeah. But my grandma and my mom used to do everything with their hands. So that's why we learn it the old-fashioned way. So this is my 5th, I hope so, my 5th spoon of flour. Yeah. And the consistency is coming. As you can see, it's getting thicker and thicker until we can scoop it out with a spoon, and then we'll have the shape. So yeah, that's how it's supposed to be, and plop, perfect. So it was 4 spoons of flour, but I think I will just add one more so that I'm satisfied. Yeah, one more is fine. So you see how much fluid is in the banana that even after adding so much flour, it is still sticky and moist. Yeah. Now we are going to fry this on low heat because it's sweet and it burns fast if the stove or the oil is too hot and the stove is on high heat. So that's it. Now I'm taking the spoon I used from the flour to scrape off the excess, and we're going to use this same spoon and create the dough. Okay, I'm taking you over to my next station. Now I'm over to the next station with the oil, and we are going to try. So we just take a spoon like this, and just drop it. Could have been a little hotter. Another one, you scoop it like this, and you just put it on this side. Maybe some of you know this already. Maybe you even call it a different name. Yeah, but yeah, it's fritters. I do not know if it's in Spanish frittata. Banana frittata. It could be. Frittata sounds like fritters. Yeah, I had Spanish in school, but I can't even remember how to introduce myself in Spanish. I only remember buenos tardes, buenos noches, buenos días. Nada come se llama. Yeah, but I still like the language though. Yeah, it's a melodious language. Yeah. So out of 3 bananas, I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 9 fritters. Yeah, I'm doing it again. And as soon as on the top is not so moist anymore, that's when you flip them over. Yeah. So, and you just take your hand and just do it like that. Okay, now I'm going to wash my bowl. It's good to wash it right away. So that the dough does not stick onto the bowl and dry. Then it would be harder to get it off. So, okay. Now let's check it. I need a fork. I have my fork here. And now we are going to check it. You can also do it like this to let the oil come up on top. Yeah. Sometimes you also have to separate them because they stick on each other. Yeah, but finally I get to show you as well how I do my banana fritters. Next time I will show you how to make plantain porridge. Green plantain porridge. Yeah. So we are going to let that fry a bit. Now as you can see, on top is now firm, and so we can flip them over so that they get gold brown on the other side as well. So this could take some more, but let me see. Let's use that one. Yeah. You can flip over, and I like to press them so that inside gets also cooked. And then we decrease the heat. We don't want them to burn. They're making noise. The sounds that you hear while cooking is sometimes so funny you could just laugh. Okay, this one needs to do a little bit more, and we try this one again. So only this one. He was the last one, that's why it takes a while. Okay. And you see how many oil it sucks up. Yeah. So you will just put it on a kitchen towel. Let me put some all over that side again. I'm doing this so that on top of this one can get harder. Okay, now we flip this one. Okay, so, and then we press him down as well. Good. Yeah, and that we let fry for just, around, in all, I would say 10 minutes by always flipping. Yeah, and then you will be sure that it's cooked. Okay, see you soon. Here I have some absorbing tissues. Bienvenida, welcome, willkommen, benvenuto. And what is the other one? Bienvenue. Yeah. So I'm going to use this, lay it out on my plate. Here I have my plate. I'm going to lay it out here. And another one. And then we're going to put all the fritters on it because it will soak up the rest of the oil. I don't think I need my spatula today. I carry it, but it's not necessary. Let me hang it up. So, flip it one more time. And because they are puffy, you know that inside is cooked. So let me do those on the sides first. And one thing what I like about fritters, outside is so crispy and inside is still soft. Yeah. So now this one, flip here, like this. This one too. And then the last one. Now we can take them out, put it here so that the rest of the fat can drip. Then I'm going to take another small cloth and open it to show you the inside. So this is how the inside looks. I hope you can see it like that. So you see outside is crispy, hot, and inside is juicy. Outside crispy, inside juicy. Yeah, I'm gonna try this now. Mmm. Mmm. The sweetness from the banana was just right. Let me take out the rest, and then we're through. If you like and you think that you need more sugar, you can also add. This you can eat with your favorite fish, fried fish of course, or mackerel, salt mackerel. So this one is really the dead last one. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Or even with eggs. You can have it with egg or your favorite jam and marmalade. I always want to know what's the difference between jam and marmalade. Isn't that the same thing somehow? Okay. I hope you enjoy watching the video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. So that was Mr. Last here. Now let me switch off my stove, push it aside, and then go and enjoy my breakfast. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.